guys, so I am actually heading over to my trailer, which is not that far away. Do everything out of my trailer, and I do it right in this dirt right here. I just usually pull the car out, lay it right here, jack it up, do whatever I have to do right here. Alright, so now I can open it. And let's go. Oh man, I don't even know how much fuel I have in this thing, honestly. I don't want to put any more in, honestly, just because I want to clean out the fuel filters and check all that too. You really need to have a stick for this, honestly, because this is how I check it. So it is, or my knuckle is basically. That is how I measure everything. Well, with the fuel. So what I'm actually going to be doing with the tape measure, I'm going to measure from here, from this lip to the other side, and then go from here to right about right here. Reason why is because when you go to the track and you do have a fuel cell in the back of your car and you don't have some type of firewall, you have to make one. Firewall, I mean. So I'm making a deck lid. I'm not making it. My buddy Tony from Exquisite Buildings, he's going to be making me the top piece and then also another piece to go downwards towards my rear brake line cover right there, that silver one right there. So let's measure up. So just wanted to back it out, just go over a few things. Taking speakers out of the doors, one right there because it still has it. These are full weight doors, weighs a lot, and I know from the past car I can actually take out like 38 pounds with the crash bar that's inside it, but I really don't want to do that right now. So I'm just gonna stick this, taking out the speakers. It's like a few pounds. And just look over a few things, honestly. Like, I already know what I want to do with my power wires. My power wires are kind of crazy right now. I'm going to go get a post mount, you know, that ground that can, the positive, that I can actually bolt down to the chassis. Jesus Christ. I have everything but a Phillips in my bag. I don't know what that is. Not in the right? Okay, that goes like that. This is ridiculous. Oh. I hate that. I don't know why that happens. I don't like this. Ow. Oh, anyway, okay. Well, this is gonna be Mission Impossible again. Okay, well, that went out pretty good actually. Alright, that was pretty smooth. Alright, now, recover. What can I do? Oh, I have another handle. I mean, like a little pocket thing over there. I don't know what to do. Because technically, I could just cut all this out. Roll up the window, cut that bar. No, I gotta drill out those tappers. Yeah, no, that's me too much. And I don't feel like getting into it right now. Door still locks too. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so that's it for that. When I lose a pound and a half. But that, I want to do... Maybe we should take a ride to the marine place so I can fix that post thing. Maybe I'll do that. I gotta take a look at Freezy's and see how he did his, honestly. Because I have an idea on how I want it to look. Maybe we will take a ride. Alright guys, so I have to rush over to West Marine. They close at 5 o'clock. I just called them and I said, yo, do you really close at 5? He's like, yeah, bro, we close at 5. I know how they work, so. Oh God, it says 16 minutes, so let's get to it. Hey guys, my GoPro is at 5%. I didn't charge it. So I'm literally rushing over to West Marine. So hopefully I can charge it when I get back home. So I gotta get this post. All right, so we're here at West Marine. Oh boy. All right guys, so I gotta make my connection from my battery to my switch. There's a lot of things I didn't put in because my GoPro died. Actually, the guy that works at West Marine, he held the store open for another few minutes, so I was able to get my terminal. I'll show you guys what that looks like behind at the car. I'm working inside the trailer. It's 8:30, I believe. I just went out with my best friend and his daughter out to dinner. Did a lot of stuff in between, so I just have to make this last connection right here to go from the battery to the switch, and that is it. But I will show you guys after I do this little science project. Okay. This, I'll use this. I'm pretty sure I can use this. Another heat shrink. Try it out, see how this works. Hopefully I can. don't think I can use this. I thought it was like a real heat shrink. No, it don't work. Alright, I tried. I'll use this blue one. I don't like that it's blue. It bothers me. But whatever. That's it. That's good for that. Happy about that. Very nice. Beautiful. I did some ghetto shit just to get it inside the trailer before. So it looks like that. Take this off. Alright. Like that. Now I can connect this one. Just want to make sure I'm doing this all the right way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bend this, right? I'm going to bend this so it's like a, almost like an L kind of, or like a 45, because it comes pretty close in contact with the metal right here. So all I'm going to do is get a pair of pliers, and adjustable. Okay. I'll hold like that. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna hold this. I gotta hold it somewhere good. If you guys have a better way, then do that. As you guys watch my YouTube, maybe, you know, certain things that I do might not be your way. Everyone has a different way. I learned how to work around certain situations sometimes, and you gotta work with what you have. You know? Okay. As you guys can see, I did use a one single post. Okay, all my powers go to that. Don't mind that. I'm gonna put some solder, heat shrink over that, and that one. Actually, I'll do that right now. And then I gotta screw it down to the frame. I'm gonna clean that all up with paper towels and Windex just to make it look nice and clean. And you won't see any of this because my buddy Tony that owns that metal shop is gonna make me a cover for the top and a wall to separate the battery from the fuel cell. Yeah, I found the right screws and everything. Worked out nice. Yeah. Right there. Good. Get a little loose, just so I can put in the other one, and then I'll snug them up. Good. Good. That's it. Ah, looks great. Let's see if I can. It doesn't look that bad. what I could do is just put a piece of electrical tape around here. This will hold it in place, honestly, because it covers all the terminals very nicely. I was gonna make slits. That'll be fun. I'll get electrical tape for tomorrow. So if you like what you see, please subscribe, share it. Raw Life Racing. Guys, you don't need a big shop. I think I went over this once before. I have an enclosed trailer. Yes, it is nice. Yes, I have worked in the dirt and the grass and the mud, and I've done it all. This is nice that I have it like this. So every day or every other day, I'm going to vlog, and hopefully you guys will see it a few days later. If you guys have any questions, you can always log or hit me up in my DMs, either on YouTube, I think they have that, Facebook, and my Instagram at Hellboy_4WD. Sorry, I talk too fast. But thank you guys again. If you are watching, this is going to be a wild experience as I'm getting ready for FL2K to head down south to Florida with the entire S1 team being there. So, on the case, I will see you guys on the next episode. Alright? Later, guys.